my baby's first birthday cake.
I see you looking at the tripod.
So for reference, my son, he's actually 11 months old. I have about a month until his first birthday. I was looking online and I saw a very specific cake that I wanted to make, and I haven't seen anybody in my area making that type of cake. So I figured I would try and make it myself, and since we're doing this in advance, if it doesn't work out, we have plenty of time to order an actual cake. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Well, the brown sugar is completely solid. That's okay because mommy always keeps backups of the baking essentials.
But also at the same time, y'all know that I'm always in the kitchen. I love to cook, I love to bake, and I also figured that it would kind of save me a little bit of money too if I made it myself. Because cakes are pretty expensive these days. I know you were going for that tripod. I know. Yeah, don't touch that tripod. I know you're not touching that tripod, Grayson.
Okay. Eggs are in and Dad is home.
I got this big bottle of vanilla at BJ's. It's honestly a really good deal. Kennedy's been napping for like an hour now. I don't know why. I'm still watching Mickey Mouse. All right. It's about as even as it's gonna get. It's going in the oven.
My cookie cake is completely cooled. I've got my icing made. So now is the fun part.
I definitely can do a better job spreading the cookie dough because I did not get it perfectly even, but you know what? That's okay. That is actually really good for my first time ever doing this. Also, I need to know too that this is a lot tinier than it's going to be. So when I actually do this for his birthday, I'm gonna have 2 sheet pans. So it's gonna be the size of a full sheet tray, if that makes sense. So this is like half the size that it'll be.
Oh, you're gonna put frosting.
Yeah, I'm gonna put frosting in the middle of it first. What do you got there? I also want to note too that I'm going to be using a few different colors when I actually do this, and I'm going to be using a different buttercream icing. Is that yummy? This is just a regular buttercream. When I actually do this, I'm going to be using shortening and a couple other ingredients just to make a stiffer frosting. I also ordered another set of piping bags and piping tips, so me decorating this right now, this is just me having fun. I'm also going to use a bunch of different colors when I actually do this cake.
Okay, here is the final cake.
Like I said, I'm going to be using different colors, different piping tips, and it's going to be a lot bigger when I actually do it. But that is a cake. Yes, there's cake. You want to have some cake? This is my first time ever doing this, so please be nice. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.